It's Andy Berkey.
So a couple of weeks ago, a company called NewAir reached out to me and wanted to talk about doing a video together featuring their shop heaters, high velocity fans. And I was pretty jacked about it because I have spec'd their products for projects that I've done in the past. My clients are happy with them, and I trust the build quality of what they bring to the market. So I'm pretty amped about it. They gave me kind of an option on a shop heater, which I already have, but I was looking through the website and got an idea for kind of a shop hack, which I think you might find kind of fun. So let's get after it.
So my heater's there, and I build a finishing tent for spraying stuff over here. That's a long ways away. So I'm going to mount this guy with rail bolts, 1/4 inch machine thread on one end and a wood screw on the other. And what I'm going to do is put multiple of these in the ceiling of the shop, which will allow me in different seasons to mount the fan from the ceiling at different locations. I think it's going to be a pretty slick way to move heat when I need it, and also to get some cooling at the bench where I also need it during the summer. Hey, my name is Andy Berkey. My name is Andy Berkey. So today the conditions are snow and about 10-15 degrees, something like that. It's pretty chilly out. But what I've got now in the shop is this wall heater up here that does pretty well for me in this half of the garage. With the new fan up here mounted right by it, I have it directly pointed to this side of the garage. That is where I do my finishing and all of that. So I shoot a lot of waterborne lacquer, and I usually build a tent in this area. I moved my thermometer over here, and it's already at 52 degrees. About, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes ago, this was at 49. So I'm already starting to see a significant movement in the temps. I like it. And this thing's got 3 speeds. This is the top speed, which I believe is hurricane force winds. I really dig the fact that this thing's a ceiling mount. It's out of the way, and it's going to be a dual purpose thing. In the winter, it'll push the heat from this guy here to the other side of the shop. And then because I mounted it with just the one anchor point, I'll be able to twist it and use it in the summer for to push some air across the table saw and workbench area to stay cooler. So I think it's going to work out pretty dang well. I gotta say, this thing is way more like an industrial weight type of thing than a homeowner thing that you would get at the big box stores. I'm gonna start a fan club. So if the concept of using a fan to sort of direct heat around your shop is something that appeals to you and you think it might work in your shop, go to NewAir and check this thing out. You could say I'm a huge fan of this fan. And I dig the concept of supporting these companies who are supporting the maker community. Very important, and we appreciate it. I've also worked out a promo code deal for you over at newair.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Just punch in Berkey and get yourself 15% off the retail price of this guy. Check it out. I'm impressed with it. So all the best. Berkey out. Berkey. This thing really moves a lot of air. Does that sound weird?